Electrical grounding for telecommunication applications. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course defines and explains grounding and bonding for telecommunications systems. It covers design, installation, and maintenance of grounding systems for towers, masts, antenna structures, racks, raceways, and cable trays. Students also learn methods to mitigate lightning strikes, power disturbances, and ground potential rise in telecom environments. What you'll learn: students will study lightning phenomena and protection principles for towers, the impact of power disturbances on telecom systems, soil characterization and earth-ground properties, the role of a common bonding network in telecom sites, grounding conductor sizing and corrosion control, and grounding practices for radio towers, monopoles, and rooftop antennas. This course delivers expert instruction supported by detailed technical materials, lectures, and group discussions. Students review real-world telecom grounding examples, study North American codes and standards compliance requirements, and gain practical guidance on equal potential bonding and corrosion control. Who should attend? This course is designed for telecom site engineers and technicians, electrical engineers working in communication infrastructure, telecom technicians, and maintenance staff responsible for towers and antenna systems. This course comes with a tower grounding training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and comprehensive course materials. Enroll in electrical grounding for telecom applications. Training to gain deep grounding and bonding expertise for telecom systems, reduce risks, and ensure safety compliance.